Hello guys, it is ADV Phrase here and I'm on Infinite Flight Simulator. Today I'm going to be showing you what Ryanair looks like whenever they're landing to me. Either they land super duper hard or super slow? I don't know. But let's get right into it. Before you even watch this video though, before I even start landing with Ryanair, even though I don't have delivery, make sure you like, subscribe, check out our Roblox group. It is a growing Roblox group at the moment. I think 18 members in the Roblox group and 30 something members in the Discord. So I'd like to thank you all for that. Now I'm just gonna skip the short final. Let me just get everything ready though. Probably gonna crash using this type. Yeah, everyone dead. YouTube, I'm not doing anything to harm anybody, so please do not copyright content or take down this video. And I don't know how nobody died. I think I'm Ryanair quality. Comment down in the comments if you think I should fly for Ryanair, even though I probably get everyone killed. So what?
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Actually, I'm surrounded. Okay. And comment down below which I should try whatever. One last time. Okay, so guys, this is basically the end of the video. Before I use my last aircraft, which I literally cannot land whatsoever. I have not landed this once. So do not hate me. Well, wait for this to load. I'm giving you 5 seconds to like and subscribe, or else the pee-pee poo-poo man will end up in your bed. You don't want that happening, do you? Oh my! No. What is the plane doing? It's He's not listening. I am not controlling this, guys. I'm telling you, I am not. It keeps on going up. I don't want it to. Bruh. I'm not really at the power. Maybe I'm over. But definitely not on this next one. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, we killed everyone, but hold up. First time landing? Hard landing. Nope. Wow. I'm so bad at this game. Oh, let's go. Wow. Nope. Better take off. Wait. Always water. But no. The approach very well. How long? Or last time. Keep going sideways. I don't like it. Ooh. Guys, this is horrible at this game. Stay centered. Keep it center line. My iPad keeps turning up. Never mind. My iPad keeps flipping. "747 is beautiful. I have to admit that. It's very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video of me failing every single landing I've done in this game. But don't worry, next time I make this video, I will be better than ever. See you guys. 80 first out.